Whenever we see a physics numerical, we don't know how to tackle it, how to handle it, how to solve it. If you are facing the same problem, then I'm sure this video will be helpful for you. Hi, this is your Rinki ma'am, and today I am going to share with you 5 easy steps which I follow to solve physics numerical, and I am sure if you follow these steps you will get also benefited. So let's start today's video. So here you have 5 steps to solve any physics numerical. Now, in the first step, what you have to do, you just go through the theory and you practice the theory at least for 2 times. Okay, and then you gather all the formulas in a particular page or in a notebook, whatever you want, and then just go through it again and again and again. So in the second step, after practicing the theory, you just see there will be some solved numerical. You just practice all those solved numerical. Okay. Then what you will see that you will be able to understand the type of numerical and the way to solve it. That will be really helpful for you. Now you go to the exercise and choose any answered numerical. First what you have to do, just read aloud that numerical. You may understand a little bit or you may not understand anything, but don't get disappointed. ये सबसे important चीज है. Okay. Now in the fourth step, what you will do, you just go through the numerical again, but with full concentration. Not like that you are just going through that numerical and you are just thinking, आज lunch पे क्या मिलेगा? That shouldn't be done. Have to go through it, but with full concentration. And now you write down all the given values with their standard notation on your paper. Now this is the fifth and the very important step which you have to follow. In this step, just go through the numerical again with your full concentration. And now you will see that you have understood that the related theory which you need to apply for the numerical and also the corresponding formula which you will use to solve the numerical. Most of the time you will see that numericals are not so easy. There are some complex. You may have to draw some diagram. You may have to think in a different way to solve it. But उस step में जाने के लिए भी you have to follow these 5 steps. So students, if you think that this new initiative is helping you to make your physics easy, then you please subscribe my channel and wait for my next video. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.